Hello everyone. Hello peoples. My name's Debbie and I make videos to help people enjoy their life more. Today my topic is treat yourself good. Love yourself, guys. Be in love with yourself. That's one thing that I do to help enjoy myself more. I also enjoy making these videos, so there goes that. Remember, smiling is one simple way to raise your energy and vibration. Now today I'm at another park in the town where I live, a nice beautiful park. It's a beautiful day to get out and enjoy a little bit of nature. And before I leave, I will be taking my sandals off and getting around walking barefooted on the ground and grounding myself with Mother Nature and from Earth. After all, we all come from Earth. And you can hear the children playing in the background. That's an awesome sound to hear. I just love the joy of children and the sounds when they're happy and excited. I just enjoy that. Now, I am loving myself, like I said, by doing something that I enjoy. I'm out here making a video, enjoying this beautiful weather. I'm at a picnic table in the shade, and it feels amazing. I can't express how nice it feels out here. You have to do stuff every day that you enjoy. Maybe it's playing the guitar, maybe it's a sport, maybe it's working out. Don't keep putting yourself off until the time is right. Make time for yourself. Be in love with yourself. Love yourself. That's very important. You don't have anything to offer anyone if your cup is empty and you have gave yourself to work and children and hobbies, and not hobbies but chores and other things like that. If you just keep giving and giving and giving, our spirit, that's our cup. Okay, now if you just keep giving and giving and giving, then you won't have anything left, so your cup is empty. You want to have a full cup, guys, and that means filling your cup by taking care of number one, focusing more on yourself. It's very important to fill your cup. That way you have energy and time to give other people, because first you took care of yourself. Filling your love cup or your spirit cup or yourself is very important. So one thing that I'm doing right now is I give a lot of time to work, a lot of time to chores, a lot of time helping other people, and I do not have a problem with being helpful, and I'm generous with my time and money, but I know how to set my boundaries, and I know when I need to ground myself, and being alone sometimes is key, guys. I enjoy and love my alone time. I need it. It helps me ground. It helps me. I need to meditate. Helps me focus on me. Helps to fill my cup. Okay, so that I am not empty and don't have anything to give and feel stressed out. And when you do give and give and give and give and get stressed out, you get burnt out, and it shows. It shows in everything you do. But if you keep your spirits up, keep your cup full, take care of yourself, love yourself, be in love with yourself, do things that you like and you enjoy, then you won't have that. It won't show. It will show up as you will be more happier. People will notice, okay? When you're stressed and worried, you carry yourself a certain way, whether you realize it or not, and facial expressions and stuff. And you want to be approachable, likable, positive person with a smile, a real genuine smile, not a fake smile. So guys, one way is to get out in nature, enjoy nature. It's the perfect energy and vibration. We all come from Earth, and that's why it's so important to just look at the sky sometimes. I love to sky watch the clouds. I enjoy rainy days, as long as it's not, out beating down on me. I love looking at it. If it's raining lightly, I'll go stand in it. I love nature. I love watching animals. Here at the park, I was watching a little squirrel. I love watching birds. I love the feel of nature when the wind blows and it feels so good. And I'm not a winter time person. I don't like cold weather per se, but right now is the perfect time of year for me, and I'm gonna take advantage of it and I'm going to enjoy it and nature and be thankful and grateful for what the universe offers. And like I said, guys, speak life also. Speak life over yourself. That's one way to fill your cup. Give yourself I am affirmations. I am great. I am happy. I am patient. I am kind. I'm smart. I am wealthy. I am healthy. And also do things like speak life. Like I said, the year 2020 was going to be my best year yet. And it is getting better and better and better. So speak life over yourself. Also, speak kind words over other people. If you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say anything. Remember, reaping and sowing, and you don't want to be in that negative vibration. You don't want to get in with gossipers. You don't want to join in with that lying, gossiping, backstabbing, jealousy. You don't want to get in with that low negative vibration. We keep it real. We come from our heart in love, and we respect other people. We're considerate of other people, and we say kind words about other people. We lift other people, okay? And if you catch yourself being with someone who's talking negative about someone, you don't have to join in. You could change the topic, or you could excuse yourself. It's that easy, guys. Well, I just wanted to make a little video today out in the park before I have to go home and get ready for work. And I really enjoy making these videos for you guys to help you enjoy your life more. These are tips that I use that I'm telling you that may help you. And if at any time during this video you like it, please give me a like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate that. And I appreciate everyone who is a subscriber. Thank you very much. And you know, guys, there's going to be more videos to come. I just think of ways that you could enjoy your life more simply, and I just want to help people. So get out there, get some fresh air, fresh clean oxygen, enjoy yourself, alone time, and fill your cup. Love yourself. That way you have more to give, guys. I'm gonna get off here for now, and remember, everyone, smile. It looks good on you. See ya.